legal tender! That's legal tender!
Welcome to a very windy Blackpool. Look at this sea. Oh, it's wild. But 40, 50 mile an hour winds here in Blackpool. Woohoo! Look at the big wheel. Oh, it's blowing the camera. Who in their right mind would go into the big wheel in weather like this? I've had to tie my hat onto the end of my trousers because it gets blown off. It was at this point that Lewis the barman approached me and asked if he could film the bar for me, as he wanted to feel what it was like to be a YouTuber. Take it away, Lewis. Right when you go.
Thank you very much. So we'll walk on to the reception area. Got some lovely plants here, really nice. Look at this art decor, very nice. So as you can see, we've got the reception area here. Totally manless. No one here. So you'd come over here, you'd press on this, you type in your visitor code in here and it will check you right in. Oh, sorry. Hello, my lovely. And this is what you use to check in.
How do you get into the bar?
So the bar's just through that door there, my lovely. Yeah.
Cheers.
It's okay. So you press on this and it is Face ID. Very nice, very nice. Let's go back to the bar area. Very nice view of Blackpool. Very nice view. Look at that. We've got Simon on the bar. Say hello, Simon. Simon, say hello.
Hello, Simon.
Come on.
Hello, lovely. Hello.
See, that's good. Thank you, my love. We've got the back area. Very nice. Very nice. Simon's using the till. Simon, are you using the till? I'm using the till. Very nice. Very nice. I really enjoyed that. That was really fun.
And that was a drink in there in the glass tower. Wasn't that amazing? What an absolutely stunning place. And I just gave the barman Lewis my camera and off he went round the bar filming it for me. So thank you very much, Lewis. Can you see the flag on the top of the tower? The R stands for Rebellion because it's the Rebellion Festival here in Blackpool, the punk rock festival here in Blackpool. Such a windy day here in Blackpool, but it's lovely and warm. Look at the water behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look all the way up the beach towards the pier. I'm struggling to hold the camera steady because of the wind. It's absolutely jam-packed down here because of the punk festival. Rebellion Festival it's called. All the punk rockers, the Stranglers, the Buzzcocks, they're playing down here from Thursday through to Sunday, so the punk rockers are everywhere. It's taking me back to my younger days. And look behind me, there's the iconic Blackpool Tower. Beautiful, isn't it? The Blackpool Tower was opened in 1894, 5 years after the Eiffel Tower, from which it was based on basically. But it stands at only about half the size, 518 feet tall, whereas the Eiffel Tower is over 1,000 feet tall. Look at Blackpool Tower standing over there in the distance. There it is. The wind is blowing my camera all over the place here. So powerful. Oh, it's so windy up here in the pier. Central Pier. Looking out into the Irish Sea. A bit wild, but not as wild as it was earlier on. The wind's not quite as bad as it was, but still I don't think I'd fancy being up that in this weather, this high wind. But look, I mean, look at the beach. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? And there, look over there, that's the North Pier. Blackpool Tower ever present. Hi Chris.
Hello, camera. They're always sneaking up on me with cameras. They do.
I'm here to ask for your help. I'm at 905 subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
And I need you to tell everybody to get subscribing because they don't listen to me.
Oh, I am. I just have to look. I have to make sure they get my good size. I get my sexy size on the camera.
I'll let you off.
So what's your channel called?
That's it there, AngelmanTravels.
AngelmanTravels.
Yeah.
And you're sweaty from Scotland, aren't you?
I'm from Scotland, yeah.
From Scotland, the case where you eat fried Mars bars and haggis.
Yeah. That's why we're all slim.
Absolutely. And you've got some legal tender with you.
I've actually never had one in my life.
I've tried the Mars bar, not good.
Have you?
Fried Mars bars, I just don't right.
No, I don't, it doesn't appeal to me.
Right, guys. They're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, yeah, so they're still amateurs. And if you wanted to be a professional, subscribe because I said so. Do it, okay? Don't be these Scottish people. We're English and we rule you lot, okay? So do it, okay? Nothing wrong with the Scottish. I love your
There, did you hear that? That's from Chris himself.
Yeah, here, the famous £1 burger what I've seen on TV, I've seen on YouTube, I've seen on TikTok. Even the Scottish, I didn't even know they had electricity up there, but apparently they do.
Yeah, we got it installed last year.
Don't worry, I don't just pick on the Scottish, I pick on the French as well.
I've still got a neat door loose.
Have you?
I've got a hole in the ground.
So have I, it's called the garden.
I just speak Scottish, right, because there's one, let's see if I've got one here, yeah. There is one saying that was designed just for the Scottish. No other language can use it, yeah? It's when they give you a Scottish note and you look at it. That's legal tender! That was designed for the Scottish. Nobody else can use that, yeah? You don't have to say anything, you just have to look at it and go, that's legal tender! Okay, I'll take your word for it.
Alright, I'm using English money.
So you got to sound angrier. A ginger Scot. How much of a cliche can you get?
I get 3 burgers, one without onions, please. Is it one with, have you got brown sauce?
Brown sauce, yes?
Yes, please.
So one without onions. How many with brown sauce?
Just the one with onions.
Yeah, no problem. Hello.
Don't worry, I'll edit all the bad bits out.
Alright, these have got the better
Aye.
zero.
Aye.
I bet you wouldn't.
It's for the Coke zero.
I'll go fancy all hairspray. Right, go on, give me a fan of that.
I'm hoping they can give me a Scottish note. Just to prove my point.
We don't have them anymore.
They are.
All this English
Now they're done, aren't they? They're finished.
I've got my first Scottish note I ever got when I first came to Blackpool.
Wow, look at that.
Now that's
Amazing.
legal tender!
Nearly there, it's near.
That was legal tender.
So when I came to Blackpool, obviously the English had stopped using it a long time ago, haven't we?
Yeah.
So it was a novelty to see a £1 note still.
Yeah.
I remember I made a mistake once. I'd done this whole season and I went back down the Midlands, that brown sauce, with a load of Scotch money. Didn't think about it, because it's normal money up here. Could I spend it? Could I probably have to go to the bank and change it? And even they give me a second glance. I think if I had Scotch notes with an English accent, they thought there's something wrong with that.
Oh, he's copied it.
Yeah, he's copied me. He's got photocopy him out.
£1 burger with onions, please.
What burger with onions?
No sauce.
So as I said, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And when you upload it, yeah, put in the hashtag £1 burger.
Will do.
And then it'll go like that, because
Right.
I'm so famous.
Yeah, you are.
I'm more famous than Blackpool Tower now.
Yeah, I think you are, aye.
I think I am, yeah. Well, I'm famous in my own mind anyway, that's all that matters. As soon as I leave Blackpool, nobody's got a clue who I am.
No, I don't know about that.
And that's £1.
Between you and Stephen. A bottle of water as well, please.
And that's £2, please.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Now that's legal, Tinder.
It is. You better accept it.
Absolutely.
So there you are, you've heard it yourself from the £1 burger man here in Blackpool, Chris Higgitt. He says you have to subscribe. Hey, if you'll not do it for me, please do it for him. I also want you to like the video as well and hype if you can. I would really appreciate that. Now just before I end the video, I've come here to Blackpool Airport, just in behind the Morrisons. A great place to come and view the planes. There's a helicopter just landed just now. But anyway, I'll say goodbye and I'll leave you with some views of the planes. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.